Howdy everybody, and welcome back to our GameMaker Studio 2 Fundamentals. Today we are going to talk about arrays, so let's get cracking. In GameMaker Studio, to make an array, a 1D array, all you simply have to do is surround your value with parentheses. Let's come back to our draw event. When we create an array out of that, we need to also make sure that we give an array position whenever we call that value. In this case, arrays start at 0, so position 0 now holds the term hello world. Position 1, goodbye world, and 2, something, since I don't know what else to put in there. So let's draw all three of those to the screen at the same time. We'll just create a for loop. Var I equals 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, and draw underscore text xy minus 64 minus I times 16 and text. That'll draw the text right above our character. So let's test it out. And there we go. All of our text draws right above our character. Now, rather than doing 3 here, we should actually do array underscore length 1D text underscore, and that would actually give us a value of 3. So we have 1, 2, 3 as our values there. And that would prevent us from going over the length of our array, which would then give us an error. So what if we wanted to do a two-dimensional array, though? Two-dimensional arrays are the second most common type of array. Well, in that case, then we would go text underscore is equal to, well, text 0, 0 is equal to hello world. Text underscore 0, 1 is equal to goodbye world, and text underscore 0, 2 is equal to something. And actually right here we're going to want to change these. So click and hold and press Alt, and now you can drag down and do multiple rows at one time. Very useful function. So there we go. Text 2 is now a two-dimensional array. Each of these are an X and Y coordinate, kind of like the grid, X and Y. So we can travel up and down it on this area, and if we come back over here to our draw and change this from 0, 1, and make that text 2, everything should work the same way. See, there it all is. So those are arrays. And while arrays are useful, there are better functions for working with multiple data values in GameMaker than arrays. And I'm going to talk about them next time. So thank you everybody for joining me, and good luck with your programming.